12. What do you mean? Nothing. Whatever, I'm peeing too. Because you did that. Ew, Sullivan, you stepped on it. How gross. Then you. Okay, I just like doing that right there. No. My God, Bobo, why would he do that? I said I'm sorry, okay? You're not sorry. I'm teams with Jaden. Yeah, he is teams with me. Why would you be there, Bobo? I don't know. It's okay, right? Is it? No, it's not okay, whatever. Right, you're right. How dare you, Bobo, do that right there? Well, not Solvin, okay? Good. Yeah, thank you so much. And not you, Bobo, because you peed on there. Right, Solvin? Yes. No, you're never going to take this, Bobo. Hey! Oh my God! Why are you guys so mean to me? That's what you get because you're peeing like that and you're not supposed to. I know, I'm mad at him too. That could happen. You know what? Okay, Bobo. Well, it's okay. It's just, I just get mad at that when you do those stuff, right, Salvin? Yeah, I agree, bro. Bruh. Oh. Hey, what did he do that, Sullivan? Nothing. I did not do that. You did that to yourself.